Hello mga guys.
Hey, what's up? Let's go!
Good morning. Going to Mount Apo. Yes. Hello,
Hey, what's up? Good morning.
Yo, what's up?
Time check. Juan, saan man eh?
Last side. So na 65.
6:55 daw guys. Yo, good morning.
Grabe po sponsor, bro. Magudula ako, what? Dabnor? Lala, uy.
Yeah. So good na saktab.
Mount Apo. We're coming.
Yo, come here. Visit the Philippines. The Philippines is a good country. Padala na, sino na pagkilala di ay? Kami na, bukat sila, pre. Banta na to. Bawal na magpatik-atik diha. Dito na.
What's up? What's up, people?
Kaya pa, uy.
Mount Apo.
Yeah.
We're on our way.
Come here in the Philippines. It's so nice. It's good to be here. Brad, I'm going to portera ni.
Laugaw na to, basketballan ba eh? Basketball is life.
Time check. 2:45.
Hello vlog, tonight we're going to climb Mount Apo.
See ya.
Stay tuned.
Sa'yo maingon, Brad. Ayo lang. Ha? Good kayo. Good kayo. Lutog nagdagan ka. Ano kaya Marcos gano'ng guwaba. Eh, what's up? Mayong gabi. May gabi. Time check. Alas 7. Ah, sa'yo pa kayo eh. Sa'yo target ni Demo Gumabos. Abot kang boulders. Alas 3 pa sa kadlaon.
Yeah, moro to.
Okay, bye. Nawa kayo buang.
May plaster mo pistol eh. Ayo, ayo nek, oh.
Yo, what's up? What's up? Good morning. Good morning. Wala.
Oh yeah, good morning.
Ano yung masasabi nyo guys?
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Tao may kung siguro mga
Evening naman.
evening pa din, 11 pa.
Time check.
11.
11:05.
Wala pa mong guide. Kabuton wala mo to.
Wala pa yung guide.
What's up, motherfuckers?
Mount Apo.
Let's go. Tagay may clearing, Lord.
So, good morning. Time check. 12:36. So, good na mag-backpass pa Mount Apo. Let's go.
Yo, nandito na kami
Sa Basakan.
Basakan. Better come here in the Philippines. You see the Mount Apo, motherfuckers.
Anak ng headlamp, nalobat na. Cellphone na lang ganyan ang gamit pa siga ba eh.
Kini mo? Na ako.
So,
Kini mo. Gawita. Idlam pa na.
Dito. Susunod ba? 200 meters.
Ayan
Saan na?
na. Nandito na tayo. Sa Bugahanan.
asa next na pa ni Barbadura? Ay, paning wala headlamp eh. Grabe ka challenging mga bra. Guys, isa pa man. Abot na ni Kampuan. First stop. Paabot na sa mga kauban. Kampuan.
Hey, what up?
Nap sa among guide. Kampuan. Abot na may. Suking ulan guys.
Yo, what's up?
Kampuan na mi guys.
Kampuan na.
Kakayanin.
Time check.
Kakayanin. Time check.
Time check. 2:45.
Time check, 2:45. 2:45.
Let's go.
Store energy. So, camp to.
Camp 1.
Gampon. Gampon. 150 lang ang baon.
Kaibigan, tara, usap tayo.
Let's go.
Tigumig, nen.
Ambot asa. Asa naman ta? Ay, tinikaran ka. Ay, campsite 2. Summit, campsite 2. Time check. 4:19. Campsite 2. Boulder Face. Talungan suga.
Ay.
Pre, pa-picture pa rin, be.
Yo, sa'yo, kayo.
Okay.
Time check.
Pa-picture pa rin, be.
4:35.
4:35.
Binigyan na po dala ron.
4:34, Boulder.
Border na, guys.
Middle of the boulders. Hawaii. What's up, brother? That's good. It's popping. Alright. Time check, boulders.
Video na.
Bagi vertical.
4:45.
Padulong sa last boulders. Kaya mo na isugod sa boulders.
Money so sa boulder. Boulders, brother.
Yeah. We made it. Sa'yo kita nabot boulders. Makapiknik sa'yo ano. Bigrak ng dito ba? Picture ko diyan niya dyan. Masaka ko diyan niya dyan. Guys, magpa-picture ko diya sunod unya pagbalik mambak ko kina pinakuan ba. Si tawag gani verb.
Asa naman ta?
Burst.
Kuha namin.
Big rock. Yo, ingana na siya forma bay pero hadlok ina sa sakaon.
Time check. Big Rock 506. Pakita rilo. 507. Guys, makaya overheat.
Body me.
Let's G boys.
Yeah. Slowly but surely.
Slowly but surely. Matik. Hinay. Davao City.
Road to kuan. White Sand.
Road to White Sand. Tara.
White Sand.
Let's go. Sea of clouds. We're already here. So boulders. You can probably see the summit there. Lagi. Back in anger. Thank you, Lord.
Ano masasabi nyo guys?
Napakaganda!
Yeah.
Napakasaya! Hindi masyadong pagod.
Hindi lang.
Kaibigan!
Nawala yung pagod ko.
Nandito na sila!
Sally can wait.
Rohan!
Ba?
Kumusta ka na?
Let's go. Yeah.
Yo, what's up?
Boulders. Let's go. Ulan na, ulan.
Ulan na.
Tapuhan.
Bantoy ginayo sa bantoy mo.
Yo. Hoy, what up?
Doon na lang kayo.
Malapit na kami.
White Sun.
So, maraming salamat. Grabe. Tikas bida.
Apaka-solid.
Napaka-solid. Kunyo kayo. Konyo mo. Saan ba yun? Ano? Yan naman din yung sa boyfriend niya. Boss!
Let's go. Almost na mi sa crater, di ba?
Yes.
Bit na. Bato.
Kiniyahan, no? Tuwa po kayo.
Sa ni white sand.
Sok-sok, relax ah.
Ah, lami at plaster ay. Mura gi-drawing ay. Ay, tago sa guys. Sige. Tugnaw kayo.
Ano man si Boss Bantoy yung katong isa?
Go.
Wala man siya. Wala po siya.
Tulo-tulo ang. Oh. Jasper. Boss Jasper.
Lugar sa tadaan. Yeah. Dula kay Big Bay.
Crater na mi. Crater. Sus, inom tubigan no? Inom ni.
Tugnaw
Tago. Summit.
Pero murag mas arang-arang kabugnaw dili pa kaysa
Mount Athos Crater. Go. Atik na mi sa summit. Summit na.
I want you laying me down till we're dead and buried on the edge of your life, staying drunk on the vine. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found something so out of the ordinary. You got me kissing the ground of your sanctuary. Shadow me with your touch. Oh Lord, return me to
Hidupawan. Hidupawan. Alright.
Oh, picture.
Highest peak of the Philippines. Let's go.
taking me out of the ordinary. I want you laying me down so we're dead and buried on the edge of your night, staying drunk on your vine. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found something so out of the ordinary. You got me kissing the ground in the sanctuary. Shadow me with your touch. Oh Lord, return me to dust. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found something so heavenly, higher than ecstasy. Whenever you're next to me, oh my, my. What was in black and white until I saw your light? I thought you had to die to find something so out of the ordinary. How are you laying me down to a dead and buried on the edge of your night, staying drunk on your vine. The angels up up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found something so out of the ordinary. You got me kissing the ground, sanctuary. Shadow me with your touch, oh Lord, return me to dust. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found.
Woo! Kauli na gyud me. Woo! Let's go. Mount Apo, conquer.
You got me kissing the